What's the park we're staying at? What's the name of that thing? Valley View RV Park, something or other.
It's like by Henry Lake.
Yeah, we parked. It felt a little more safe, secure over there in a big RV park. It was more of a not boondocking. You didn't want to leave our rig boondocking for security and all that, but so it is safe and secure over there in that park, hopefully. And we're gonna go do Yellowstone and see.
We're gonna do the loop.
Yeah, we're gonna do the big loop. There's a big figure 8 loop we'll probably do, and then
tomorrow we'll
Old Faithful, and then the sulfur pools or whatever they call those things. Yeah, gonna do it.
And then tomorrow we're gonna try to go find a hike.
And then after we get done with Yellowstone, we're gonna go see the Grand Tetons. This park was a little on the spendy side at $80 a night, and we only stayed for 2 days while we did Yellowstone. But really nice facilities, nice laundromat, nice big game room to mess around in while your laundry's being done. All right, so we are officially in the park, and it officially turned into another state, so welcome to Wyoming! We have to.
Gotta put the sticker on.
New sticker time.
Really cool state map that we found on Amazon. Just super fun and colorful, and we're using it to fill in this. And we finally get to put another one on our map. Wyoming!
Nice. What you got there?
Happy!
She's so happy.
There. I can feel it.
We are in some dangerous territory, methinks.
Just hot, splashing mud.
This place is just a powder keg. We're looking for bears, we're looking for mooses, we're looking for foxes and coyotes and wolves. They reintroduced wolves, right? Or maybe they didn't reintroduce them, but they're here.
And we finally get to see a buffalo. A real live buffalo.
Okay. Tatanka. Buffalo.
You've got a little trail going on there.
Look at the head on that thing. How tall do you think that is, man?
Very.
Very. That is one big wall of rock. You're gonna laugh at me because my head's shaped like a bullet. You just sit still. Sit. Don't move. Sit. Good boy. Wow.
Back it up. Oh, I can feel it from here. Oh, that is so cool. Woo! Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh, that was awesome. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, I can't feel it. Wow, look at all the people. Oh, that's fantastic. Nice view of Yellowstone Lake.
See the little pus pocket. Was it something he ate?
Basically burping. Yeah. Burping gases.
Yeah.
I wonder how hot that water is.
I don't think I'm going in that cave. The boiling toilet. See any bears out there? I don't see any bears. No mooses. This is Yellowstone Lake. Pretty.
So pretty.
Mighty pretty.
Hi everyone. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are in the little town of Harding.
Yep.
Hardin. And we are on our way to South Dakota to establish our residency there as full-time RVers. So if you'd like to see more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, fly on the end of my nose.